Oh no. That's just like running through my head every time I mess up in this game. It's just, oh no. Oh, I could have gotten those. I'll get those next time. There won't be a next time. Shut up, Shadow. That wasn't Shadow, by the way. I would like to personally apologize. He'd be more like, there won't be a next time. And I'd be like, shut up, Shadow. And then he'd be like, this is a bad bit. And I'd say, I know, I apologize. No, you know what? Heck that. I will not apologize for being myself. I will not apologize for making my own goofy fun bits on my own goofy fun show. You will not make me feel bad, Shadow the Hedgehog. I'm very sorry about making you feel bad for doing goofy fun bits on your goofy fun show. Yeah, you should be. Hey, we're not gonna be able to do this, I think. No! No. Confidence. We are self-assured. We are resilient. We will get that Chaos Emerald. Where's that damn second Chaos Emerald? Hey, that's a good joke, Shadow. Thanks. Can I go now? I never asked you to stay. Okay. I mean, you could have just said yes. I know. I didn't have to be mean. I know. Can I have one of your lean pockets? How many are left? There's like 3 in the fridge. Okay, well, clarify. 3 packages or 3 lean pockets total? I forgot. Let me go check. Yeah, okay, go check. I'll wait. It's pretty hard. The special stages. Taking a while. Hey, I'm back. Oh, hey, did you figure it out? Yes, there were 3 lean pockets, like, singular. So not 3 packages? No. 3 of the pockets themselves. Okay, you can have one, but this will be your last one for the week. Understandable. Have a good day. Oh, what is Poyo Tetris? No, my weakness.